Natasha, goalless draw, but chances for both teams there?
Yeah, I think we'd be disappointed. We had a game plan. It went a bit astray sometimes, but we created probably the more chances out of the two teams, and should have scored. I certainly should have scored myself. But we there's some things we can take back into Tuesday's game now and look ahead to that and stick with the positives really.
You feel like you did well though to keep the pressure on with this sort of weather as well?
Yeah, we were blinking, boiling. No, this is why we're here, is to have tough conditions and to put us under stress. And if we can do it in this heat and in these conditions, I think we can do it in the lovely weather of Wales really.
And then looking ahead now, Tuesday's the next match. Got prep now ahead of that one then as well.
Yeah, and I think it was great that we could have games against Ireland, and they'll be a tough opponent. They are very similar to us, and they posed us some problems in terms of a low block. We've never come against that before, so we'll definitely have some different game plans and probably a plan B going into the game on Tuesday.